You're totally not gonna die!
They're hanging from the tree. Come on, mate.
I was drinking a potion! Go on!
Oh, no, believer! You're a mighty hero.
Oh, okay, I'll accept that. 1, 2, 3. Well, we broke it.
Oh,
Is that meant to happen, Tree Spirit?
I suppose that definitely counts. Anyway.
Shields up on? All right, there. We need to keep marks on that side as well, but quite honestly,
Oh, okay. Well, the good news is no woes in the next chamber. The bad news is this is where all of the bug bite bugs have been residing. You can see the ground here is absolutely crawling with various insects. Now, the bites are usually mostly harmless, but they ruin mages. Honestly, a magic person standing upon this ground, that would not be wise.
Right, fighters lift mages.
The door, though, I think it's just over there if you wanted to proceed.
Someone lift me. Carry me. I don't believe that.
I'm all right. I can pass
You
it.
can carry me. You're stronger than me.
You assume or you know? I know. Well, I thought somebody wanted to jump on my back.
I do, if you can carry me.
Singe.
Cabin. Cabin. St. John would like you.
We get over here.
Let's St. John jump on him. Put down his... Get your sword out. Just walk. Just go.
Right, I'm on your back.
Oh, yeah.
Where do the bugs stop?
I think just here is a safe place to be.
Are we sending a spellcaster to test exactly what happens? The very end! I wasn't... Oh. Thank you. Oh! What is it? Roy, I made it! Oh, yeah. How did you make the cloth?
Deadly bug bite bugs.
I'm assuming he just... I actually got
Yes, I can. Have a lift.
I don't actually know.
I'll go on Pontiff and you can go on the way down.
Can I carry someone while you're carrying me?
Take me with you. 3, 2, 1, go!
Guys, all together!
Run! 3, 2, 1, bomb rush!
No, not yet!
What you see is me with Pontiff on my shoulders and he's carrying them.
Okay,
Ready?
go!
Go! That was a surprise.
Okay, so does anybody who touched the ground not know what the iron in the blood poison does? So everybody who touched the ground knows what the iron in the blood poison does.
I know. We just do it.
Okay.
Read it out for people.
So, anybody who touched the ground is considered to be carrying more than a pound of metal for the purposes of metal and magic rules until cured. The poison cannot be cured by the way of the cure poison spell. A character who attempts to cast the spell while carrying too much metal suffers 2 points of damage directly to their torso, bypassing all protection. A character benefiting from an enchantment spell while carrying too much metal also suffers this damage. And the effects of the enchantment spell are lost.
Is it fair to just also reiterate to people, if you were lifted by a strength person, yet your feet touched the floor, you were actually carried?
Okay, well, that was an ordeal. The next door is just here, so we can go to the next chamber. Yes. This room appears to be safe. Oh, I'm so sorry about all of this. I don't know who designs these rooms. It looks like another lever, or possibly the same one. This one's got writing on it, though. It's written in a strange script, but I think it says something like "Speak friend and enter," or maybe something more original. Identifying is usually a process that takes a little while.
Stupid tree.
You can hear the singing. You can hear the singing. So, for all intents and purposes, from what you can see, it does appear to be a fairly magical weaver. Inside it weaves into the roots and vines of the inside of the tree, and certainly appears to be connected up to some kind of contraption that you could assume would be a door. But the lever itself is most definitely coated in something else. However, there is a mechanism inside it jamming it shut, waiting for some kind of magical entrance, say an incantation or code phrase.
And reading it?
It says, speak friend, and enter.
Oh, sorry, I thought you said it was something more original.
No, it says
Okay, so it says, speak friend and enter. It's another handle in the previous design, clearly attached to the contraptions of the tree. Something needs to be done before we can pull this handle. I'm assuming it's something to do with the term friend.
Who can speak woes?
Exactly.
Anyone speak woes?
Wait. Are the words are friend, or I'm just like trying to figure out.
Well,
What if it's the like fey tree?
This. Who would be allowed in?
Ah, that's good.
can you speak woes?
No.
Can you speak Sylvan?
No.
Or anything like
Can
that.
anyone speak
people
woes?
in the first wave.
Has anyone got linguist?
I think we sent that guy in the first wave too.
Right. The handle is poisoned. We must have someone speak friend in some other language.
The lady who was told she couldn't come in by, I assume, Volgrim had the ability to understand different languages.
But she's out
You
of
could
here.
go and get her.
Ah, but Macarius.
I might not be able to bring her in. But I might be able to get her to teach me the one word we need.
And then come back.
Have you got a phone a friend?
Maybe.
Could you
But I don't know if it works.
communicate with someone we know? Victor?
No. Not from here. No.
Yeah, that's a good point.
my knees.
I have noticed it's poison. Would you like to see them?
No one speaks any woes at all.
I speak read common language.
I'm immune to poison, but I'm guessing if we don't...
Are you immune to language?
I'm quite immune to language as well, yeah. I can't even talk properly.
The original Woodland language.
You know, let's make it open. Kind of close.
That's right. I said Sylvan. It's the same thing. Right. Speak friend then.
Friend.
I think it might be something to do with the lever pulling contraption.
Oh, yeah, that's a song.
No. That's them having fun. It's a good song. Right. What is it?
So,
Thank you. Right. Speak friend.
Whoa, sorry, it's poison though, isn't it?
Right. But he probably has to do it while speaking the language.
Yeah, but if you tell me the word I need to say, I can learn friend in Ireland. Just that word, I don't know if it's in Ireland. And if it goes wrong, it'll be metal.
friend.
That's the Lord of the Rings phrase for friend.
Matlock.
And then they pulls him.
He's immune to poison. He's immune to poison, it doesn't affect him.
Oh, look. It worked.
Does the handle move?
Yep, all the way.
Good.
What on?
I thought I'd step up to the plate there. And,
Thank you very much. I'm really glad I did that.
Right. Yes, I believe the next chamber's just through here.
Wait.
Oh, no, there were four.
No, there were four. This is the fourth chamber.
Yes, I think this is the fourth chamber, that's right, yes, and the fifth chamber should just be this way.
But you said there were four chambers.
I didn't say there were four chambers, I said there were chambers.
That's what assumed.
You said there were four chambers.
The visions, four chambers.
But as we entered the dialogue, there are four chambers.
Okay, Maybe you can't count, but we can't go back now.
Maybe the doors don't count as chambers. They're just like entryways.
Can be the first door?
We're not going to learn anything by standing here.
Could you hold that second? This shouldn't be much of a problem. I'm sure the gas cloud filling the room doesn't have any adverse effects that we need to worry about.
Right.
Oh, yes, we would have to go this way, but I think it might be dangerous for, anybody carrying poisons in their system, ironically. I don't suppose any of you is still poisoned? No. Nobody? No. Oh, well, we should be free to pass then.
But hang on. But we would get poisoned by being in it.
Yes, probably.
I mean, it looks fairly poisonous.
Who can cure poison?
Well, I'm thinking you've used your resistance. I haven't.
I haven't. Let me
Now, Dundee, this might seem a little forward, but I could mouth to mouth you all the way around the corner.
I'm going to stick in
Try it if you like.
Okay. I was just going to step in and get poison.
Doesn't taste very nice.
Then I can walk.
Give that a shot.
Yeah, that's as an alchemist as well.
Tastes like rabbit hell.
Yeah, suppose you'd hold your breath and run.
Oh, right. Where's the safe bit?
Just hold breath and run should be good, shouldn't it?
I think if we just got through the door to the next chamber, that would be fine.
So round.
Yeah.
Chamber.
All holding up, right? To the next door.
I'll see you there.
Don't breathe.
Well, actually, I'm going to walk.
Okay, when it falls down, I'll drag it.
And breathe in.
Well, I thought they made it round.
Yes, I think this is where I was taking you. You can come in now. Oh. I'm so sorry for what I've done. I didn't mean to.
I know you.
I'm sorry.
No, I don't know you.
No, I suppose not. You see, when he killed her and took the crown from her skull.
Who are you?
You're the kid.
Be here. Are you here to help me?
The spirit of sacrifice compelled me to come here.
Kill the tree!
Send
Kill
me
the tree!
here
Stop
and make
torturing me! So much pain. So much time.
Kill the tree.
Please
No,
help me.
no,
Kill it.
don't listen.
Kill
No,
the
you
tree.
mustn't kill the tree. The mother tree is so important.
You
That's
have
why
to
I must
stop.
keep
is on his
drinking.
head?
I must keep drinking. That is the crown. You're immediately compelled by the spirit of self-sacrifice.
Oh, brilliant.
No, you mustn't. If you let the poison drip on the floor without me drinking it all, we'll all be over. Please put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Make me drink, please. You can't let this happen. No. Oh, I'm seeing something through the ley lines. Your presence here, the tree knows.
I was cruel.
Tree. Oh no, I'm so sorry.
I cannot
The
escape.
reaving, it's spreading. The tree's retaliating. There are people everywhere. Villages, a camp, under siege.
Stop
we
it.
must hurry
Plug it.
here.
Plug it.
We must be quick.
Heal the tree.
The poison must not drip
Let
upon
me
the
go.
floor. The tree. For the cycle to end, someone must die, but it won't let it be me. I keep dying, choking and dying, and coming back to keep choking and dying. If one of you,
Don't listen
if
to
one of you replaces my
Kill
life
me.
with your
Kill
death,
me. Stop torturing me. Stop torturing me.
Who do you want to sacrifice?
They just said sacrifice someone.
to be dribbling out. It doesn't come from anyone's side.
I'm so sorry for what I've done. I didn't
Kill me.
I didn't know what I was doing.
I've
It was
died
the
so
man.
many times.
That-
Help me. Kill me.
That awful metal
This
face.
is too much. Too long.
Wait, what?
It is torture.
Chances we need the heart.
Help me.
No.
Help
His name was
One that we
Varagaran.
dropped.
He killed my wife and brought me here to become this, and now I can't
Just run down a few levels and get.
Who are you that knows my story? Who are you? I feel I should recognize you.
I'm so sorry.
When someone brought it through, it was dropped after a retransfer.
No,
Why did we need the heart?
I dare not
What
hold.
tells you that we needed the heart?
It is too much.
He said, where's the heart?
Are you really there?
It dropped as we went through the tree. We couldn't
Are you really there?
Osric brought it in the first time.
Hey,
Are you too much? Hope and no hope. Everything
We need
together.
the heart.
The heart? This is the heart
I cannot.
of the entire forest. And
Cannot survive.
it is
I cannot die.
so
I cannot
angry.
live. For a few seconds I had hope. I was free.
Right.
I cannot live. I cannot die.
Name the law course. Remove poison.
The dribbling stops for a while, but then very quickly starts again.
No, you can't remove this with magic, I'm afraid. This is the very source, you see. It was created with magic more powerful than what you wield. And far more ancient.
Elixir of evil. It hurts every drop. I feel it burn me. I feel I have dissolved down to nothing.
I could do this.
And I still compels.
It's just going to get a bit
I must drink. I must take it into me. I am tired. I am so tired.
He's drinking the poison. He's coughing.
The cost is a light.
You're not here.
Data?
I thought you were here.
Data. Every time he's drinking, he's coughing. So why didn't you kill him?
We're deciding who to sacrifice.
You know the one there.
Killing someone.
It is a solemn choice. I'm so sorry.
I can drink that and it doesn't cause me any problems.
What are you suggesting here?
We need to replace them. We have to speak friend and enter. That's the only way to actually show that we mean no harm to stop this.
To replace him?
To replace him with one of us. And it won't
So-
me.
Odd job, I got a job for
Never
you.
going to leave. Potentially.
One damn fine looking chair.
Somebody could come up with a
Or
cure.
what I'm going to do for a minute, I'll study this fancy crown.
I'll help you identify that.
Working on the odd job for the rest of your life.
We're going to find me.
It's ancient.
We'll come down and visit you.
I will bring drinks.
This object is forged from celestial steel, and while much of its grace has been drained by the processes it has endured in recent seasons, it once belonged to an angel of sacrifice, and still compels self-sacrifice to those who hold it, or wear it.
What happens if the poison falls on the floor?
Oh no, you mustn't let that happen.
Why not? Why?
Because you say so, Crown.
Yeah, why not? What would happen?
Because if the poison drips into the floor, then the tree will have to drink it.
And then what would happen?
This is the mother tree. If you poison the mother tree, the entire forest will die.
So, so we could just poison.
What level of alchemist are you?
Basic level.
No poison that you've got experience with.
But it burns.
A bit salty.
You want to fight through the walls, get through the bugs and the poison cloud every day.
You get fit.
We've got some sort of trough system.
We might not have to.
You could just fit into a river.
You good?
Can we plug a hole?
Wait, what?
Can we just plug it?
The last job for our job.
Can we just plug it?
No, it's not a particular hole.
You'll
It's
take
just
the bone and die in my place.